Hello and welcome. I will make it. It's very harmonious. Harmonious? Is that how you say it? Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be doing makeup with me, and today I decided to challenge myself to 5-minute makeup. Last time when I was making this video it took me an hour because I was talking so much, and to be honest I just realized, I was thinking about it, that not everybody's a makeup artist and not everybody wants to spend an hour doing makeup. So I'm challenging myself today to do makeup in 5 minutes, and I will do it in real time. If I have a second to talk about what I'm doing, I will. I of course chose and lay down the products here, otherwise I think I would probably spend 5 minutes searching for them. So I hope that I will manage. Please don't judge me if it's going to be a little bit over 5 minutes. I started already with a hydrated face. Take my hair down. And we're gonna hopefully do it. I've never done it before. I think I need 1 minute for the face, 2 minutes for the face, and 3 minutes for everything else. Okay, fingers crossed. Putting my timer on and let's start. All right, I'm taking very, very light foundation and I'm gonna put it with my hands, because light foundation like this, you don't need special brushes for. You just literally can just do that. And let's be honest, most of us probably does that in the morning, which is not a bad thing. There was a long time when makeup artists were only using hands, and some of them still are. So you're 25 seconds in. All right, so far so good. We're taking concealer. And I'm gonna use my hands again. It's way too much, isn't there? It's okay. Can drag it down. All right, okay. I'm also sitting on the bed that is bouncy, so every time I bounce, my mirror is shaking. Now I'm gonna take my makeup eye base. If I would do it sooner, that would be such a bloody success. I decided to go with a quite light foundation because I'm gonna put quite covering powder now. And I'm gonna take it, it's Max Studio Fix, and I'm just gonna put it over my eyes to set my base, but also all over my face. I'm going in it. Oh bloody hell, that's too much. Freak, it's 1 minute 20. As you can see, it's not going to be full coverage, but that's okay. This is like, I woke up, I'm late, I have to do the makeup quickly thing, yeah? All right, taking my bronzer, Diana Bronze from MAC. I think it was limited, maybe it's permanent now. And I'm freaking bouncing, so my mirror is bouncing as well. Bronzer, if I have to choose between bronzer and blush, I'm always going to choose bronzer. It just gives you more dimension on the face. We have 2 minutes. What did I say? 2 minutes on my face, 3 minutes for everything else. Great, and I'm not done with my face. All right, blush. Blush. Blah, blah, blah. We're gonna mix that with gingerly. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. I'll tell you what, 5 minutes is not a lot for makeup. All right, we're already over. Where's my blush? Okay, highlighter. Da 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 da. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, I'm gonna take highlighter and use it as my shiny shadow. Blam, blam, blam. Why the hell not? A little bit in my inner corner. All right, what are we taking? We're taking our bronzer, put it in the crease. 2.5 minutes, guys. We're in the middle of our time, but we still have the worst stuff to do, which is eyebrows. Good thing that I have quite good eyebrows. Just if I say so. No, I'm joking. Now the thing is, I have quite bushy eyebrows, so they're going to be visible whether I do something about them or not. I need another brush. I don't have it. Okay, a little bit smaller brush. And put it under my eye as well. 1 minute 58 seconds. I'm not panicking at all. Let's just take my eyebrow pencil. It's quite a natural pencil, so it's just going to give me a little definition, but not too much. 1 minute 44. Bloody hell, and I still have eyelashes to do. I don't see everything that well. gonna be one big bleep here. 1 minute 24. Okay, now I have to do my eyelashes. La 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 la. Yeah, I'll make it. I still need lipstick and lip gloss. I will make it. Sorry, I can't speak when I'm doing my eyelashes, but I'm not going to be speeding any of this up because it's supposed to be real time, so you can see that it really. I have a minute. That it really took me 5 minutes. All right, 55 seconds. I can do it. I can do it. Can I? Yeah, I'm gonna have some time off. Oh bloody hell! What did I do with my eyelashes? Okay, if I can't put lip gloss, that's okay. But I have bloody. Oh no! Sorry, my mascara is super thick because it's lockdown, so it just dried. All right, setting spray and some lip gloss. Oh no! You see what I did? My mascara didn't dry. So it actually smudged. 9 seconds to fix that or make it worse. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did it. I did it. Na 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 na. I can hear it. That is was 5 minutes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was makeup in 5 minutes. Let me just see. What do I think? Actually, you know what? If my skin would be better, because I have quite a bit of acne. But this side, because I don't have acne here, this looks pretty good. I have a little bronzer, I have a little blush, I have even highlight. I look fresh, I look nice. A good tip, use your bronzer in your crease, because it's very harmonious. Harmonious? Is that how you say it? With your face, because it has the same, of course, undertone, because it's the same product. You can use highlighter as an eyeshadow, and you can use bronzer as your eyeshadow as well, and your blush as well. I'll be honest with you, I like it, and I probably will start doing makeup a little bit more like that now. What do you think? What do you think about it? Please leave me comments down below, let me know how you liked it, and that's it. I'll see you next week, and I will probably then make another video all about the brushes. So, see you then, kisses, enjoy your day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye! Hell, what a mess.